Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Honda Pilot's bonnet. First, ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the parking brake set. Then, locate the primary hood release handle inside the cabin. It is typically found on the driver's side, beneath the dashboard, often near the lower corner by the door. Give this lever a firm pull to release the initial bonnet latch. Once the interior lever is pulled, you will notice the bonnet has popped up slightly. Now, move to the front of your vehicle. Carefully slide your hand under the center of the bonnet's front edge. You will feel a secondary safety latch. Push this small lever to the side, usually towards the driver's side or to the right, to fully disengage the bonnet. With both latches released, you can now gently lift the bonnet all the way open. Look for the prop rod, which is usually clipped to the underside of the bonnet itself. Carefully unclip this rod. Then, insert the end of the prop rod into the designated hole or receptacle on the engine bay to securely hold the bonnet in its open position, preventing it from falling. To close the bonnet, first remove the prop rod from its support hole and securely clip it back into its storage position. Gently lower the bonnet until it is approximately 12 to 18 inches above the closed position. From this height, release the bonnet and allow it to drop. This ensures both latches engage securely. Always double-check that the bonnet is fully closed before driving.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.